Today we are going to learn bread pakoda. Ingredients required are slices of breads, mashed potato, besan flour, cumin seeds, carom seeds, soda bicarbonate, salt, chilli powder, chaat masala, chopped coriander, chopped green chilli, chopped onion. For the batter, take besan, add cumin seeds, carom seeds, salt, soda bicarbonate, little bit of chilli powder. Put the water in a batter. This is the right consistency or thickness of your batter. The batter should be spoon coating consistency. Spread the slices of the bread. For the stuffing, mashed potato. Season the mashed potato with chilli powder, salt, chopped onion, chopped coriander, chopped green chilli, chaat masala. Stuff this masala in the center of your bread. Close the bread. Cut it to triangle shape. Dip the bread slice into your batter. Fry till golden brown color. Your bread pakoda is ready to serve. Sprinkle chaat masala and serve it.